The Israeli army passed through Gaza Strip's main hospital, al-Shifa hospital, resulted in dozens patient death and uncommon additional wounded on the medical complex of patients' refugees. He forced him to be evacuated as part of siege. Israel's attack on Gaza months has resulted in more than 20,000 Palestinian deaths since October 7, many of whom are civil and children. For weeks, Israel explained reasons for preventive reason attack on a medical organization that is typically protected within scope of humanitarian law. Opposite, the Biden administration continued to support Israel's position on subject and re-revealed its claims that Hamas was operating under al-Shifa hospital before Israel attacks at beginning of this week. In press briefing, he told journalists that U.S. used al-Shifa as a command and control pillar because Hamas uses other civilian sites to hide terrorist infrastructure. Following siege in al-Shifa, Israeli government tried to convince world that hospital claims that it holds both real and figurative cigarettes, in addition to weapons and some equipment. Findings were missing. Chosen Israel itself has built tunnels and rooms under the al-Shifa in the 1980s and that their presence was a clear secret for decades. After attacking patient Defense Forces published Israeli forces claiming that it was a network of Hamas tunnels in medical complex. In addition to Tunnel S, analysis maps and other materials published by IDF contradicted allegations that several hospital buildings were connected and accessed from tunnel network. Analysis is also the final use of a few small rooms connected to the tunnel that IDF described as a Hamas operational room, or he found that it did not contain occupancy signs. A separate November analysis IDF's by CNN found that Israeli forces may have moved or rearranged weapons at al-Shifa hospital before accessing international news organizations to scene and asked questions about originality. Already limited findings provided by IDF forces. Shares new Christmas song Israel's Proof. Israel Proof Hamas command center at al-Shifa hospital is short. Hyperloop is reporting Elon Musk's pipe dream biting dust. Vin Diesel. 5 in-case hospitals have become the primary target of Israel's siege against the Gaza Strip. Northern Gaza will try to supply health facilities. However, without drugs, other basic needs, all patients will die in a slow and painful way, he said, to offer other basic care to stop blood loss, death.